Hi, I'm Felicity Penrose. As an RHS medal winner at just 16, I've had the pleasure of sharing my love and my knowledge of horticulture with countless people over the last few years.
From impromptu Q&A sessions to full-blown talks, I've captivated audiences at the UK's most prestigious flower shows with my passion for this vibrant field. My proudest moment was overseeing the largest single stand at the Chelsea Flower Show in 2021. It was a true testament to the beauty and the versatility of horticulture, and I was thrilled to have played a big part in bringing it to life. In addition to speaking at the Hampton Court and Tatton Park flower shows, I've had the pleasure of providing speakers for the event. Working closely with the show manager, I've been able to help create an engaging programme that showcases a wide range of horticulture. With my different interests, I'm always ready to deliver informative, entertaining and flexible talks that keep audiences engaged and amused. Whether it's discussing the latest trends in gardening or exploring the fascinating world of botany, I'm passionate about sharing my knowledge and experience with fellow enthusiasts. So, if you're looking for a speaker who can bring the beauty and the wonder of horticulture to life, look no further. Talks can be tailored to specific audiences or subjects. Past one include topics like plants of the Canary Islands, Fenford Arboretum, or behind the scenes at Chelsea Flower Show. I look forward to being available and joining you at some stage in the future.
Awful lot. How do you keep the slugs off hostas?
It is probably the only question anyone working on a hosta stand needs to know the answer to. And the answer is garlic. So any hosta nursery, even probably the RHS, will recommend that garlic is the best way to do it.
And how often would you need to use that?
So you have a concentrate and you want quite a watered down version of that, and you spray it on once a week or so.
What would you recommend for my modest fernery?
So I would definitely go for something evergreen that's shady. So we've got a Bleckenham Pennamarina here. But I think it's also important to support the old nurseries, saying that for myself, but you need young people to take them over. But it's supporting the transitions to new people, to different management, as well as new businesses coming in. I think